Welcome to Banking and Finance with Chitrak. Today we're going to discuss on the comprehensive guide to prepare for the KYC and AML certification exam, which is conducted by the Indian Institute of Banking and Finance. So whether you are new to the field or seeking to enhance your expertise, you are in the right place. Now, this certification is crucial for professionals in banking and financial services. It ensures you are equipped to handle compliance and risk management responsibilities with confidence and credibility. Now, we'll discuss about what is this KYC and AML certification. As I told earlier, this is conducted by the Indian Institute of Banking and Finance. This certification focuses on Know Your Customer, that is KYC, and Anti-Money Laundering or AML regulations. It is a recognized qualification for anyone working in the financial sector. Now let's give some overview of the exam. This exam is a 2-hour remote proctored test. That means you don't have to visit an exam center, but you will be able to give this exam from the safe space of your home with your laptop and a webcam. And it's an objective type test with 120 multiple choice questions, and you need to score at least 60% to pass the exam. The questions are generally practical and concept based. The key topics that are covered in the syllabus of this exam are that you need to understand the KYC norms, the customer identification procedures, due diligence, and risk categorizations. Additional focus areas include suspicious transaction reporting and combating the financing of terrorism and how to recognize and stop money laundering. Some real-world applications include that KYC and AML practices are essential to prevent the identity fraud, monitor suspicious transactions, and comply with the directives from the RBI and the Financial Intelligence Unit of India. Now, the benefits of the certification is that earning this certification improves your regulatory knowledge and opens up more opportunities in the banking and financial services. In many roles, it's a mandatory qualification to have this certificate. The tips to succeed this exam is that you need to study the IIBF recommended book thoroughly, the link of which will be given in the description box. You should also focus on case studies and real-world applications, take mock tests, and stay current with the RBI circulars and regulatory updates. Now, what you will gain from this series is that it will provide you the full syllabus coverage, the simplified explanations, revisions, and MCQs to help you succeed this exam. So, subscribe to our channel, watch the videos, and start your journey towards becoming a certified compliance expert today. Thank you for watching. For any questions or support, you can mail me and feel free to reach out. Best of luck with the preparation of your IIBF KYC and AML exam.